So I bought this train at a flea market for about $5, and really unusual configuration underneath. And it basically, you can get this a little bit closer. Basically had this kind of a wishbone kind of thing holding it together, connecting the front to the back, but on the other side the part was broken, and so it looked basically like this without the end. So it occurred to me, instead of trying to duplicate that, I could use something else. I had lots of toothpicks in the house, and I basically decided to shave one down to around this right length that I thought it should be when the part was complete. And I slipped two of those into the cab here, and let's see if it works. Okay, so we've got it on the track, and we're going to see how this repair holds up. Get a little help. Actually seems to be holding together pretty good, doesn't it? Hold on, we'll get it when it comes around again. Unless, of course, it doesn't come around again. So here it comes. It turns out it just had hit a box. And so really got hung up. I forgot about that guy on the track. This is another car that goes with it. Apparently this train is from Brazil. That's what the guy told me. It turns out if you Google Brazilian trains, it's really the major manufacturer of trains in Brazil. But you can see that after a short time, these guys, toothpicks butt up against each other and reinforce each other, hold each other in place. And really seems to be holding up pretty good. So hold on a sec. Now, just so we can get the full final effect, the top is not screwed on, but it's just placed there. So still a really nice, quick repair job, and we'll see how long it holds together. Where are you? There you are. Slowing them down as they close in. And that's it.